So this is Unit 1, Part 2, moving from string to string. And at this point you should feel very comfortable playing 3 notes on the first string, E, F, G, and 3 notes on the second string, B, C, and D. And so the next task is to be able to move from string to string fluidly. And for this you're going to be working on exercises number 14 and 15 in the Hal Leonard book. You should make sure that you feel comfortable reading those notes, and you can always go back to the diagrams and the introductory pages to make sure that you feel really comfortable with reading those 3 notes as well. There's not really much of a trick when you're moving from string to string. You just have to be careful to remember that both of your hands need to move. And I know that sounds like kind of a very obvious bit of advice, but it's pretty common when you first start off practicing moving back and forth that maybe your left hand will move, but your right hand will be strumming the wrong string. Or you'll switch to strum the correct string, but your fingers will be down in the wrong spot. So start by going very slowly, walking up from the lowest note we know, which at this point is our open B, our open second string, and just walk up on that string, B, C, D. From here we move to our open first string, E, F, G, B, C, D, E, F, G. And do that very slowly a few times. When you're comfortable with that, you can go the opposite direction, G, F, E, D, C, B, making sure that both hands are making the shift. And then when you're feeling really good, you can start going up and down. First slow, and then faster, faster, faster. Another important thing to remember is that when you walk up to your highest pitch on your second string, if you continue moving up from there, you're going to an open string. The opposite is true when you're coming down. You'll walk down to an open first string, but then have to put 2 fingers down on the second string to continue moving. So I would go through a few times. Make sure that you do that enough times that you feel really comfortable with it. It doesn't have to be fast, but you should be comfortable moving back and forth between both strings.